Hello everyone, this is Hemlata Bhatt and I welcome you to my class. Today's topic is My House and this is the fifth chapter. We all know that we need a house to live in. Without house, we cannot be safe, right? So what is a house? A house is a place where we live with our family. In the earlier lesson, we knew about family also, a group of people living together in a same house. And we live in a house with our family. A house keeps us safe from heat, cold, rain, storm, wild animals and unwanted people. So we really need a house to live in. If we do not live in a house, there would be many problems. Heat, cold, rain, storm, wild animals also, some unwanted people. We do not want them. They are unwanted people. Then life would be very risky. So, we should live in a house. So, we should learn that what is a house and why do we live in a house. We live in a house because it keeps us safe from heat, cold, rain, storm, wild animals and unwanted people. There are some different types of houses. Many years ago, means long ago, people, early people lived in caves. You can see this is cave. They are early people. Okay, early people lived in caves. Sometimes they also lived on trees. So, do you think they could feel safe? Come to the page 25. No, people could not feel safe and comfortable living in caves and on trees. It is because wild animals and harmful insects also live there. So, it was not easy for early people to live in caves and on trees. They always needed to fight with these wild animals, with some insects to protect themselves. But today we cannot live in caves and on trees. Our life would be at risk. Anything may happen to us, any risk, any accident. So, we have chosen the best way to live in a house. Okay? We live in different types of houses now. Nowadays, there are some different types of houses along with their names. Some houses are big, you can see. Some are small, some are high. And houses are made of different things. Some houses are made of bricks, cement and steel. You know that houses made of bricks, cement and steel are strong. So such houses are strong. Some houses are made of mud. You can see. They have roofs of thatch or dry grass. Thatch or dry grass. Such houses are called huts. So mud houses keep us cool. So it's good to live in them. But they are not strong. When there is heavy rainfall, they would break. They would break down. So it is not safe to live in a mud house or hut house. Okay? Houses made of bricks, cement and steel are only strong. They also protect us against a heavy rainfall. You can see this is a strong house. It will not break down when there is a heavy rainfall. But this type of house will easily break down if there is any storm or heavy rainfall. So it is not safe for us to live in this type of house. But houses are of very different types. Now we are in the page number 26. Okay. Parts of house. Already we have known that A body has many parts. Similarly, a house has so many parts. You know. Let us try out their names. You can see this is a door. So we enter through the door. Door is the part, number one part. Then there are windows to let air and sunshine come inside the house. They are windows, and we keep windows in our house so that fresh air and sunshine may come inside. Okay, and we may enjoy the sunshine during day, because at the time of night we will not get sun. We have to use the electrical bulbs or fans, but during daytime, if we open the windows, we may get the fresh air along with sunshine. So we need windows also. The top portion of the house is called roof. You can see the top portion. This is called bottom, this is top. So this is called roof. Places receiving heavy rainfall or snow have houses with sloping roofs. You can see the sloping. These type of houses have sloping roofs. Rainwater and snow can easily slide off such roofs. So these type of roofs do not store rainwater or snow. So they can easily slide off the roofs. But here sometimes the rainwater and snow can be stored. But generally we keep holes in every corner so that water can pass away very easily through the holes or pipes. So these type of houses have sloping roofs. Now we would try to read out the clues and guess the answers. You walk on me or spread a carpet on me. So where do we spread a carpet? On the floor. So floor is the answer. You walk into the house and walk out of the house through me. You walk into the house and walk out of the house through me. Then door. You can paint me white or paint me bright. I stand tall. You can see they are very tall. This side, this side. You can paint them using yellow color, white color or any color you like. But they always stand tall. They are wall. Okay. You open me for some light and fresh air. We know we keep windows for some light and fresh air. I am the top of your house. The top. This is the bottom and this is the top. So roof. Here we have got the 5 parts. Roof, floor, window, door, wall. They are also parts of house. Okay. So our today's lesson ends here. Thank you.